What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Fishing with A-Train. I'm super excited today. We're out here where the story started for me. We're out here. Here's a little spot I call Mama's Pond. It's not actually on my mama's property anymore, but her parents built this pond. This is it. I've never seen it this low, so that's new for me. We just haven't had any good rain in several months. But right on the other side of that tree line there is where I grew up at. I used to get off the school bus in the afternoon, go put my bags up, grab a fishing pole, and come out here. And this is a place where I fell in love with fishing. And it's where some of my favorite memories are from my childhood are. So we're gonna see if we can't get on some. There's used to be quite a few good sized bass in this pond, so that's what we're after today. Hopefully that's still the case, but y'all stay tuned. You got one? Oh, Austin's got him one. Got it on the square bill. Come on, get him in, get him in. Oh, that's a good one. There's still big bass in the pond.
Where's your scale at, dude? This may be a PB, I don't know.
Dude, it's in the bag. Let me grab it. Oh, super exciting. Austin's already got a good one.
Bring some flies.
I got him in my pocket.
I don't know if it's as big as that other one, but it's good size, dude.
Dude, got him a biggin'.
It honestly was fighting me harder than that other one did.
Dude, that is a big bass.
Grab this motherfucker. Okay. Okay.
Yep. Mama's Pond is still a big bass factory.
You don't want to let him go.
Come on, Austin.
Well, I think he's going to do it after I hook him.
There we go. I'm gonna say 4.5.
It's a 5 pounder, dude.
Let's see. Oh, 312.
Is it really, dude?
Yeah, look how skinny she is, dude. If she was fatter, she had a nice fat belly on her.
Oh, dude, I can't believe it.
312. Hold on.
That's still a nice one, dude. That's a 6 pounder, dude. Any other time of year. I can't believe it's only 312, dude. Wow.
That is a
That's
nice bass,
that's the
bro.
biggest 312 I've ever seen, dude. That thing is massive, dude. Oh my god.
Almost a 4-pound bass right off the bat, dude.
You wanna release on this bad boy? You took a picture of me?
Yeah, I got a picture of it. Hello. Yep. Hey, Austin just caught a almost 4-pound bass. It's 312. Just released it, dude. Fatty. Hung my hat up. Oh, another one? head coming. Well, at least Austin's getting some fish today.
It's actually kind of cold. Hope you're working it slow, dude. I knew I came up here for a reason.
Oh. Big one just, you see that little bluegill right there? A big old bass just chased it right up here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. All right, we're starting to see some activity now.
I see you catch one, dude. I've been waiting on you.
Trying, dude, trying. Hey, Jess, watch your bobber.
Yes, okay.
Hey, you're getting a bite. You're getting a bite, Jess.
Get it, reel it in. Reel it. Wait a second.
There we go. Finally on the board. Hard fighting fish. Oh, no, get back here. Oh, you look. Ah! Probably a 2-pounder. It's not as big as the last one. Oh, it come off again. How am I not getting hook sets? Austin's got him another. That one didn't come off.
That one up on the bank.
Finally, actually on the board. Dude, I thought I was too. Finally got one. Probably 1.5 pound, 2-pound bass.
It's a pound at most.
Yeah, you're probably right. It's a 1 pounder. It's a nice 1 pounder though.
It's still a beautiful bass.
Nice 1 pound bass.
Yeah. No, it is. It's a nice bass. Be a good eater size.
Yeah, it would. Really would. Whew, finally on the board. Didn't get skunked. Let's get this beautiful big mouth bass back in there. I laid into that one when I set the hook. I said I wasn't gonna lose another one. It's like a bluegill colored lipless, or not a lipless, square bill. I actually think it might be that same one you got, just a different. Oh, did you see that, dude? Come up and got it right at the bank. Yeah. I was pulling it out. Oh. Ah. Dude, I saw him swipe at it right before I got to the bank.
Oh, is that dirt?
Yeah, I was gonna clean him off right quick before I took my picture.
It's the same bass.
No, I think the other one was a little bit bigger.
I don't know, dude. That looks the same.
About the same size. I don't think it's the same one though.
It might not be. It looked like the same size.
No, the other one didn't have the spots on his ears, or on his gill plate rather. Not really ears. Well, it's a pretty good day out here on Moss Pond. Austin caught that one big one right when we got out here, almost 4 pounds. It was 312. And it's another beautiful day in the great state of Arkansas. I missed a bite on the jig, lost 2 right at the bank on the square bill, and then finally landed 2 just a few minutes ago. But at least I didn't get skunked, and it was a pretty good day out here. And I wish we could stay longer, but we had to take my daughter to the doctor this morning, so we got a little late start. So and we got to get back to Little Rock, so we gotta head on. But hope y'all enjoyed the video. Be sure to smash that like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your fishing buddies. Till next time, thanks for fishing with A-Train.